You all, Angela Cameron here, the AKC. Look what I found. I wanted to release this inspiring video of a healthy food tip because I love sharing great things. I finally found chicken sausage, you all. I have been looking for chicken sausage. I went to the Whole Foods store, and the one I got of the savory chicken, which I'm about to show you all, it was the last one. But these I was able to tote out as much as my hands and my arms could carry. They're really, really great. The way I eat, they probably last me a few months, okay? But, you know, of course, you freeze them. This is the chicken and maple flavor, 365 everyday brand, and they are so delicious. They are great for keeping that figure down, ladies. So when we get a chance to go to the beach this year, even though we may wear cover-ups, we can still look great. This is the savory chicken. They only had one box of these. I'm sure they've restocked by now. But they are so great. And y'all have got to experience it in the air fryer cooker. Okay? Because I actually placed them in the skillet. I did not personally like cooking them in the skillet because I had to keep rolling them around to make sure they evenly tempted. Placed them in the air fryer straight out the freezer. They plumped up. They were so juicy. Had a crust around them. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look, I'm almost about I'm almost about to cry. It's so good. Hey. But anyways, you all, it's a real great treat. And that's a joke, y'all. You have to know my personality to know that, you know, people laugh when I do stuff like that. Ha ha ha. Tisk tisk tisk. So you all happy eating, okay, ladies? I'm telling you, if you haven't tried these are really great to keep that figure down. Well, as y'all can see a little bit, there's a nice great glare, so that means the sun is out. I'm trying my best to bronze a little bit. I've been inside so much that I haven't bronzed yet. So I'm gonna get out today before the heat gets extra hot and get some caramelization going on, okay? Y'all have a great one. God bless.